Today, we're doing things a bit differently. Instead of my usual deep dive into risk, growth prospects, and detailed financials, I'll be taking a top level view of Alphabet and the parent company of Google. So, I have been doing a bit differently previously before, so I wanted to try this new approach and by keeping things a bit high level, clear, and easier to follow. Uh, so we'll focus on key metrics such as valuations, market context, and give you a quick yet meaningful snapshot of stock that we will be evaluating. So this is just tells you like my methodology into the valuation model that I'm using to calculate the stock price. And these are some of the mathematics formula that I used and incorporated to make it very robust. I don't want to be boring you with these details and that much information. So anyways, let's jump right into it. So, from the recent news, you might have heard that Alphabet, the parent company of Google, got ruled that they do not have to sell from browser. So, this alleviates significant antitrust concerns. This news has propelled the stock to new highs, as you can see from the April 2025. It was $144. Now it's sitting around $233. So, it's important to note that while the recent legal victory is a significant positive, the ruling doesn't prohibit Google from entering into certain exclusive agreements, which could present some limitation on the future business practices. So let's continue. Here are some more information if you want it a bit more high level. So this kind of like tells you what's the story behind Google, what are their dominant and expand and how are they growing as well, and their ecosystems. This kind of tells you a story, and all of these parts are AI generated. So it shows you the bull case of Alphabet, the bear case, and the trend summary, which is Alphabet investment story is one of the continuous trend in its core advertising business, coupled with significant growth potential in its cloud computing division. So, and you can read the rest. If you're interested, you can pause and continue reading the rest of this. All right. So before we actually start the evaluation, I want to look at some, a good practice is to always look at financials for the company that you're planning on investing. So here we go. I'm going to be looking at quarterly. So first thing I want to look at is revenue, and while as you can see, they are growing. It's this steady climb like over the 10 years. It's fueled by the search engine, as you know, and it's fueled by YouTube, and cloud. But now the